Alright, back on the super modified stuff today. What's that stuff? Oh, it's all over. What is this? It's like it's broke out or something. Kind of infection or something. Oh my goodness, look at all these. What in the world? Okay. Well, I don't know. It's like every part, every panel's got some of that on it. Alright, this will get me going with these old school ways here. All the modern guys, this is probably a product a lot of them have never even used. Well, here was one here. When this come out, Swiss Green Magic Glazing Spot Putty. This is lacquer product. Like any lacquer product, the key is not to put it on too heavy. I always called this the Green Death. Here was one that was a little bit better. Martin Senior product. Made by Napa. Glazing Putty. Here's one that PPG had out. DFL1. Spot Putty in dark gray. It was a good product. This is always my favorite right here. Nitro Stand. This is a red putty. They made it in different colors. You can see it says it works with lacquer and acrylic, synthetic, or urethane systems. Really compatible with anything. Just however you apply it. Apply it with the squeegee. I liked the Nitro Stand the best because it seemed like it was the smoothest to apply. Went on real smooth and easy, didn't cake up. The PPG product was good too. All about the same. The Green Magic probably had lower quality. All the rest of them about the same. These products on here, they're very old, but they still work good, so they're not dried up. They dry in just a few minutes. I just put this on, it's nearly dry right now. Ready to sand down, blend in. One last coat of prime on these and we'll be ready to paint. Alright, we'll bring you back when we make some more product. Old school. Oh, okay, pretty nice weather tonight. Rained earlier, 8 o'clock, I'm done for the night, I had enough. We've got the super modified race car parts. All sanded now, ready for seal and paint. Everything come out pretty nice on those. Oh, I was wrong. I do have some spots on this tail cone yet. Just a few spots here to blend yet. We'll have to get those. I made the video. Caught myself. I was going to quit for the night. Now I'll stay and finish this. Nose cone, the upper part of the nose cone. Cowl. Boy, I'm slipping too. I see the lower part of the nose cone over there in the Chevy front end. It's got a couple of spots on it too. All these other flat panels, they're all ready to go. Look real nice. So okay, I will, these other places, these other parts I should say, other pieces in shape. We'll be done with these, ready for paint. Alright, I went back, did a couple little places on that part, cowling. Took this tail piece and sanded off those spots I said I missed. I come back and just put a touch on a couple other little places. Too much of a perfectionist. I say some of these are okay. I found a couple real small, you can see here, little fine holes. Stuff will sand right down. So I just went over everything while I was doing it, every piece. I'd like to say when I get these sanded down, that will be the end of these will be prepped and ready for seal and paint. But we'll see how it goes. I'll bring you back when we get there. Okay, just got done raining here. Almost 7:30 tonight. Super modified parts are all done. Good. Everything's all sanded out on these now. I'll come down real nice. Got all the pinholes filled now. Sand it on to 320. Hand block down. So they are ready for sealer and paint. I won't bore you with the painting, straightforward. Coat of sealer on them. 2 coats of red base coat. 3 coats of clear. Bring you back with these.